Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the password on your MacBook, whether you're using a MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. This guide will work on any Mac, including those with M1, M2, M3, or M4 chips, so let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and then select System Settings from the drop-down menu. For reference, I'm using Mac OS Sequoia, which is currently the latest version. If you're using an older version of Mac OS, the interface might look slightly different, but the process is still similar. Once System Settings opens, look at the sidebar on the left and scroll down until you see Users and Groups. Click on it to open the settings for user accounts. Find your user account in the list and click on it to select it. You'll see a pop-up with various options. In this pop-up, click on the Change Password button. A new window will appear where you'll need to complete a few fields. First, enter your current password. Then, type in your desired new password. Confirm your new password. Make sure it's something secure but memorable. You can also add a password hint to help you remember your new password if needed. When you've filled out all the fields, click the Change Password button in the bottom right corner of the window. Once the changes are saved, click Done to close the pop-up. For the changes to take full effect, it's a good idea to restart your MacBook. After the restart, your new password will be active. And that's it. You've successfully changed your MacBook password. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.